So just brief about yourself.
For, sir, introduction.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you for giving me this opportunity. First of all, sir, my name is Suman. I belong to Haryana. I have done basic schooling from my native place only. I also received an extraordinary performance certificates in academics from HPSC board, and I pursued my B.Tech in mechanical engineering from YMCA University of Science and Technology, Faridabad. My final year project was footstep power generation from rack and pinion arrangement. Currently, I am working as a teacher for aptitude and reasoning, and side by preparing for various paper examinations. That's all about me.
Okay, so for which company you want to give us,
Sir, HPCL.
And what's your interview date?
Sir, 28th of Feb.
28th of Feb. So okay, I am just now take the mock according to the HPCL. Okay, totally. So just tell me what you mean by resilience.
Sir, resilience is the total amount of energy stored up to the elastic limit.
Okay, proof resilience.
Proof resilience is total amount of energy stored within elastic limit.
What difference between the resilience and proof resilience?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall now.
Modulus of resilience.
Sir, modulus of resilience is proof resilience per unit volume. And sir, the difference between resilience and proof resilience is that resilience we get on the load deformation diagram, sir. And proof resilience we get on the stress strain diagram.
Achha. What do you mean fatigue load?
Sir, fatigue load is the cyclic loading, continuously repeated stress applied to a component, sir.
What do you mean by creep?
Creeps are time dependent continuous static load applied to the components.
What do you mean by endurance limit?
Endurance limit is the stress up to the minimum amount of stress up to which material do not fail, sir, and subjected to cyclic loading. That infinite life show.
What do you mean by principal plane?
The principal plane at which shear stress
CS stresses?
on that plane, shear stress is 0.
Okay, what do you mean by in-plane tau max?
In-plane tau max is the maximum amount of stress acting on that plane only, sir. That if we are taking 3D.
In-plane tau max and absolute tau max में difference क्या हुआ?
एब्सोल्यूट टाउ मैक्स में सर जो 3 प्लेन है उनमें जो मैक्सिमम है वो तीनों को कंसीडर करते हैं, और इन प्लेन में जो उसी प्लेन में एक्ट कर रही है स्ट्रेस उसी को कंसीडर करते हैं.
What is the Mohr circle for a fluid at rest condition?
Sir, Mohr circle, it's a point on the negative x-axis.
Okay. What do you mean by bulk modulus?
Bulk modulus, sir, just a second, sir. Change in pressure to the percentage change in volume, sir. How much change in pressure to be going on when that.
Why you take the pressure instead of the stress? Where I'm just whatever the quantity we are just using, we are used for finding the stress, no?
Yes, sir. Deep. Sir, plug, can I guess, sir?
Yeah, you can.
Sir, this is defined, I think, for unit area, sir. Then pressure and stress becomes same. Sorry, sir, I don't know about this.
What is the Poisson's ratio?
Buoyance,
Poisson's ratio. Poisson's ratio.
Poisson's ratio. It is the ratio of longitudinal straight to the lateral strain. Lateral strain to longitudinal stress.
फर्क क्या होता है दोनों में?
Sir, longitudinal stress, longitudinal strain होती है sir, and the
क्या होता है
direction of the
लॉन्गिट्यूडनल लेटरल स्ट्रेन होती क्या है? कैसे पता चलेगा कौन सी लॉन्गिट्यूडनल है कौन सी लेटरल है?
सर अगर हमने x डायरेक्शन में फोर्स लगाया है किसी कंपोनेंट में, अगर इलोंगेशन अगर x डायरेक्शन में हो रही है तो वो लॉन्गिट्यूडनल स्ट्रेन है सर.
Okay.
Or in the other two directions are this to be lateral.
What's the range of Poisson's ratio?
Sir, for theoretical it's to be -1 to infinity, and it's for practical one is to be 0 to 0.5. Sir.
0 to 0.5. For which material it's 0 and 0.5?
Sir, for 0.5 is for cork type material, sir.
0.5 for cork type material.
Yes, sir.
For 0?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall.
Just tell me what are the different points in the stress strain curve for a mild steel?
Sir, first of all, proportionality limit.
Okay.
Then elastic limit. Then upper yield point. Then lower yield point. Then ultimate point. Then failure point.
Okay. In this, there is a strain hardening region.
Yes, sir.
Where?
Sir, it's between a lower yield point to ultimate point. The region between lower yield point.
What do you mean by strain hardening region?
Yeah, sir. Strain hardening just by a strengthening mechanism in which we increase the yield strength of the material.
Okay.
And it's a due to the imperfections of the material and the interlocking of dislocation movements. This strain hardening is to be going to take place.
Okay. So when I'm just going for a design consideration, which point I am just taking from the ductile material as a material property?
The lower yield point.
Lower yield point, any yield strength, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Why not upper?
Sir, it's the lower yield point beyond which a permanent deformation starts, sir. And so we take a lower yield point.
Upper yield क्यों नहीं दिया?
सर अपर यील्ड ज्यादा सेफ नहीं है, लोअर यील्ड ज्यादा सेफ है क्योंकि उस पे स्ट्रेस भी कम है.
तो स्ट्रेस की वैल्यू कम होगी तो ज्यादा सेफ होता है.
डिजाइन क्राइटेरिया से सर जब हम सेफ कंसीडर करते हैं तो लोअर वन को कंसीडर करके डिजाइन करते हैं कि फेल ना हो मटेरियल.
Okay. Suman, I will just give you the feedback about your mock.
Yes,
Now, as I think for the SOM is now good. There is no such issue for your SOM. और कौन सा सब्जेक्ट आपने प्रिपेयर किया इसके अलावा फॉर HPCL?
सर आईसी इंजन.
हाँ, IC इंजन को बहुत अच्छे से करना, ठीक है, क्योंकि दे आर मोर हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी दे कैन आस्क फ्रॉम द IC इंजन बिकॉज दिस इज आल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ HPCL, है ना. ऑयल फील्ड में वर्क करना है, थोड़ा सा वो रहता है. बाकी स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल आई थिंक यू आर नाउ गुड. देयर इज नो such issue I found, क्योंकि जनरली वो ज्यादा टफ क्वेश्चन जाएंगे नहीं, क्योंकि उन्होंने तो जस्ट मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग में लेना है और रिसर्च का कोई पेपर नहीं है, तो आई थिंक दे विल नॉट गो ऑन द डेप्थ. So it is sufficient whatever the questions. आप में थोड़ा हल्का हल्का कंफ्यूजन जहाँ जहाँ है वो आपको पता चल ही गया होगा खुद को कि resilience वगैरह में और छोटे छोटे पॉइंट्स है, तो वो सब थोड़ा सा एक बार देख लेना. बाकी ओवरऑल हाँ ओवरऑल यू आर गुड, देयर इज नो such issue and all the best for your. क्या
इंट्रोडक्शन सही है सर, स्टेप वाइज से.
हाँ इंट्रोडक्शन अब सही है, पहले से इम्प्रूव किया है तुमने. और कुछ पॉइंट ऐड करना चाहो तो कर सकते हो, जैसे तुम्हारे प्रोजेक्ट्स पे अब कुछ पॉइंट जरूर पूछेंगे वो, तो प्रोजेक्ट्स काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है तुम्हारा. मैंने पूछा नहीं लेकिन क्योंकि वो तुम्हारा टॉम का पार्ट हो जाता, लेकिन अच्छा है वो प्रोजेक्ट, अच्छा है, मुझे सुन के सही लगा. तो दे विल आस्क द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम योर प्रोजेक्ट्स आल्सो, तो उसे भी थोड़ा सा देख लेना. हाँ
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.